Hello everyone, I am Aditya, the CEO and founder of Savishkara. Savishkara is derived from Sanskrit, which means exhibition of power or talent. Power is a big word to use. Instead, we plan to use talent. Savishkara, bringing talent together. So what do? We are a group of enthusiasts who want to bridge the gap between having skills and having ideas. Skills are acquired by many people, whereas ideas are something not everyone is capable of thinking. Many people who have ideas lack the right set of skills. So we at Savishkara would like to fix this problem. We at Savishkara have created two branches. First one, creating ideas, and second one, adding skills. So people who have ideas can fill out the form of create idea present at our site, and the people who have skills can submit their skills through the add skills form in our site. We will verify your idea and then give you the people who possess the required skill. We will make sure that your data is safe with us, and we will mostly try to give you the people who are near your surroundings, probably at your colleges or probably at the locations of your present address. We provide you with people in 4 different ways. The first one is a mentor. You can choose a mentor for your project who could help you and guide you throughout your entire project. The second one is an advisor. If you want a mentoring in some particularly small problem, you can choose an advisor. If you want a person who should be completing a small part of your project, then you can choose a collaborator. And if you want a person who could help you throughout your entire project, being along with you, then you will be choosing a fellow associate. Apart from these 4, if we like your idea, then we will mentor the project by ourselves, and we will also take you to some possible investors too. Now, if you think this looks like a website for freelancers and project hubs, I would say not exactly, because this particular website is totally dedicated to the undergraduates. Our present focus lies in Telangana, and we would like to venture out into the remaining parts of the world very soon. Apart from all these, we also conduct workshops, events, hackathons and many more, and we are also trying to venture out into internships very soon. At present, we are available at savishkara.com. In this website, you will find everything you need about whatever we said till now. And along with these, you will also find blogs. Here, we encourage young talents to write blogs at our website and reach out to a larger extent of people. In case you are interested to write a blog on our site, then do contact us at Savishkara or through our Instagram account savishkara.btt. We also have plans to launch a project page where we'll put up projects which are done by us and also the projects we supported. Now, I would like to introduce you to our team, who are, for your shocking reveal, undergraduates from various colleges. This is our YouTube channel, and here we are going to put up videos in 4 categories. The first one is blogs, and the second one projects, the third one software explanations, and the fourth one are company updates. We hope you would join us, subscribe us and encourage us to be the best.